The little turtle. There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle. He climbed on the rocks. He snapped at a mosquito. He snapped at a flea. He snapped at a goldfish. And he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito. He caught the flea. He caught the goldfish. But he didn't catch me.